You're lying in bed. It's 2:47 a.m. Your phone buzzes. You ignore it. It buzzes again and again. You grab it. Something is happening. You posted something 12 hours ago, a video, a photo, a hot take you wrote in 30 seconds while waiting for your coffee. You posted it without thinking. You checked it once. 37 views. You close the app. Now your phone won't stop shaking. You open the app. Your notification bell is glowing red. 100 notifications. 500. 1,000. Your numbers are climbing. The counter is moving faster than you can read. This is what it feels like to go viral. Not the explanation. Not the news article about platforms and algorithms. I'm talking about the moment your life splits into two, before and after. The moment a stranger in a different country learns your name. The moment your face gets shared to people who will never meet you, never know your voice, never understand the context you were standing in. They just see you, and they decide instantly whether to love you or destroy you. Let me tell you what it actually feels like. You wake up the next morning. You check your phone. The numbers have kept growing while you slept. 30,000 views, 50,000. Your stomach drops. You sit up. You read the comments. The first one is kind. The second one calls you an idiot. The third one is a paragraph-long critique of your grammar. The fourth one is a death threat. A joke, probably. Maybe. You're not sure anymore. You scroll. Your brain is running a diagnostic. Is this real? Did I actually do this? Did I actually put something into the world and the world grab it and run? The answer is yes. The next morning, you're on the trending page. A creator who has 2 million followers stitched your video. He added commentary. He made fun of you. He made fun of the way you talk, the way you look, the thing you said. His video gets 2 million views in 6 hours. People are now coming to your original video to compare the two, to decide which one they prefer, to argue in your comments about something you didn't even say. You didn't say it. He made it up, but now it belongs to you. Here's what nobody tells you about virality. It happens fast, unbelievably fast. Research shows that viral content typically reaches 50% of its total views within the first 48 hours. 48 hours. You're sitting at your kitchen table eating cereal when 500,000 people are watching your face. You haven't even finished your coffee. And it's not just views. It's the speed. It's the volume. It's the fact that you can post something at noon and by dinner your comment section looks like a foreign city you don't recognize. People are translating your words. People are making memes. Someone screen recorded your video and posted it to a platform you've never heard of. It's got 300,000 views. You don't even have a following there. This is the part that breaks people. The lack of control. You put something small and personal into the world, and the world turned it into something massive and impersonal. Your words got separated from your face. Your face got separated from your name. Your name got separated from who you actually are. You're a stranger to yourself. Now let's talk about the high, because there is one. Oh, there is one. Dopamine is a hell of a drug. When you watch your view count climb, your brain releases the same chemical it releases when you win money or have sex or eat sugar after not eating for 12 hours. The number goes up. You feel good. You feel seen. You feel like you matter. Psychologists call this social proof. The internet calls it clout. You call it the best feeling you've had in months. Your phone buzzes. Someone famous shared your post. The number doubles overnight. Someone you idolize left a comment. 3 words. This is fire. You screenshot it. You show your friends. You show your mom. Your mom doesn't know what fire means in this context, but she knows you're excited, so she gets excited too. This part is real. The validation is real. The feeling is real, but it's also temporary. See, the thing about going viral is that it has a shape. It goes up fast. It reaches a peak, and then it falls. And falling is harder than climbing was. You had 40,000 followers yesterday. Now you have 42,000. The growth has stopped. Your last post only got 800 views. The algorithm moved on. The world found something new to watch. You're not trending anymore. You're not even interesting. You're just another account with a number next to your name. And the number isn't going up anymore. But here's what stays with you. Notifications slow down, but the comments don't disappear. Every day, someone new finds your video. Every day, for months, for years, people you have never met are forming opinions about you. Some of them are still laughing. Some of them are still mad. Some of them just want to tell you that you changed their life. You don't know any of these people, but they know you. That's the part nobody prepares you for, the intimacy of strangers. There's a creator named Merbeast, Jimmy Donaldson. He has over 200 million subscribers. His videos get billions of views. But before the empire, there was a kid in his bedroom with a webcam and a dream that felt embarrassing to say out loud. He uploaded videos that got 12 views, 10 views, and then something clicked. Something went viral, and suddenly, he wasn't a kid with a dream. He was a phenomenon. Or think about Celeste, the developer behind the video game Celeste. She made a game about climbing a mountain. It sold over 1 million copies. She became a symbol for indie creators everywhere. But the moment that mattered most wasn't the sales. It was the tweet. A single post saying the game saved her life. That went viral. And suddenly, Celeste wasn't just a game. It was a lifeline. And then there's the other side. The side where someone posts something innocent, something they thought was harmless. And the internet decides it needs to be destroyed. A teacher posts a resume. It goes viral for the wrong reasons. A teenager posts a photo. She didn't know her background would contain a symbol she didn't recognize. People lose jobs. People lose relationships. People lose themselves. All because a small thing became a big thing and they couldn't stop it. So what does it actually feel like to go viral? It feels like lightning. It strikes without warning and leaves you somewhere you've never been. For a moment, you are more visible than you have ever been. For a moment, your voice reaches further than you thought possible. You feel powerful. You feel validated. You feel like the world finally sees you. And then it fades. And you're left with the question, what now? Do you chase it? Do you spend your life trying to recreate the lightning? Do you become a person who makes content for the algorithm instead of a person who makes things because they matter? Or do you take the moment for what it was? A moment. A strange, electric, terrifying moment that told you something about yourself you didn't know before. You learned you could move people. You learned you could make strangers feel something. You learned that your voice, your face, your 30-second hot take could ripple across oceans. What you do with that knowledge, that is the real question. Not how to go viral, not how to stay viral. The question is what you build when the lightning fades. And that part, that's up to you.